Is there a way to the way this affair has begun? Oh, sweet remembrance, how can I overcome? If I open my arms, would you lay down your guns? Would you lie down next to me? Could you just cry out loud on my chest? Or would it be the best to say goodbye? I was a soldier on your front line, and now I'm in the hospital. How I'd like to reload and shoot you off your pedestal. How come you violently love me? Baby, what you're aiming at, is it the hole in my heart, or the part that's shiny red? Would you lie down next to me? Could you just cry out loud on my chest? Or would it be the best to say goodbye? Goodbye, when I caress other bodies, memories grow too strong. My heart jumps right back to where it belongs. And I doubt if I can be any longer in doubt. I let you into my heart to never let you out. Oh, grand finale, don't wait another day. If I'm a man, I grab your hand and take all your pain away. If I'm a man, oh almighty, I jump right through the fire, take out the sword and fight, oh, in every inch of our desire. Would you lie down next to me? Could you just cry out loud on my chest? Or would it be the best to say goodbye? If you cry, I will try not to cry.